Hey there, music lovers. Welcome back to the Dance Hall Sing Celebrities. Today, we're diving into the legendary world of reggae's greatest icon, Bob Marley. From his humble beginnings in Jamaica to becoming the voice of a generation, Bob Marley wasn't just a musician. He was a movement, a pioneer who used his music to unite people, spread messages of love, and fight for social justice. In this video, we'll explore 10 fascinating facts about Bob Marley's career that helped shape the global music scene and made him a cultural legend. From near miraculous escapes to groundbreaking achievements, get ready to discover the incredible journey of a man whose music still moves the world today. So grab your headphones, sit back, and let's celebrate the life and legacy of Bob Marley. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Let's get started. Number 1 pioneer of reggae music. Bob Marley is often credited with bringing reggae music to the global stage. His unique fusion of ska, rocksteady, and reggae rhythms, along with his socially conscious lyrics, helped establish reggae as a significant genre worldwide. Number 2, the formation of the Wailers. Marley founded the Wailers in 1963 with Peter Tosh and Bunny Wailer. The group, which initially performed ska and rocksteady, eventually became a powerful force in reggae music. Their debut album, Catch a Fire, 1973, was one of the first reggae albums to gain international recognition. Number 3, signing with Island Records. In 1972, Bob Marley and the Wailers signed with Island Records, marking a turning point in his career. Chris Blackwell, the label's founder, saw Marley's potential to reach audiences beyond Jamaica, and the partnership led to the production of several landmark albums, including Burnin', 1973, and Natty Dread, 1974. Number 4, global success with No Woman, No Cry. The live version of No Woman, No Cry, recorded at the Lyceum Theatre in London in 1975, became one of Marley's most iconic songs. The song's success helped to cement his status as an international superstar and remains one of the most recognized reggae songs to date. Number 5, Exodus, named Album of the Century. Time magazine named Marley's 1977 album, Exodus, the Album of the Century in 1999. The album, which features hits like Jamming, One Love, Three Little Birds, and Waiting in Vain, reflects Marley's spiritual journey and political consciousness. Number 6, political influence and the One Love Peace concert. In 1978, Marley played a pivotal role in attempting to ease political tensions in Jamaica by performing at the One Love Peace concert. He famously brought together political rivals Michael Manley and Edward Seaga on stage, symbolically joining their hands in a call for unity. Number 7, surviving an assassination attempt. In December 1976, just 2 days before the Smile Jamaica concert, Marley survived an assassination attempt at his home in Kingston. Despite being injured, Marley went ahead with the performance, stating, "The people who are trying to make this world worse aren't taking a day off. How can I?" Number 8, first international reggae superstar. Bob Marley became reggae's first international superstar and is considered one of the most influential musicians of all time. His albums have sold millions of copies worldwide, and his music continues to resonate with audiences across generations. Number 9, posthumous Grammy Lifetime Achievement Award. In 2001, Bob Marley was posthumously awarded the Grammy Lifetime Achievement Award for his outstanding contributions to music. He is also a member of the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, further solidifying his status as a music legend. Number 10, legend, best-selling reggae album of all time. Released 3 years after his death, the compilation album Legend, 1984, has become the best-selling reggae album of all time, with over 25 million copies sold worldwide. The album includes many of Marley's greatest hits and remains a staple in reggae music collections globally. Bob Marley's career was marked by his dedication to spreading a message of love, peace, and social justice through his music. His legacy continues to inspire and influence musicians and fans around the world.